If you're looking to manage your contact lists in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with this powerful tool and show you how to optimize your workflow for managing contacts seamlessly. Make sure you stick around till the end because I'm sharing how you can access an exclusive extended free trial that you won't want to miss. Folk CRM is designed to help you stay organized and focused, turning your contact list into an actionable database that makes customer relationships effortless. It's not just another CRM. It's a powerful, intuitive tool that blends simplicity with robust functionality. When you first sign up for Folk CRM, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface that allows you to manage contacts effortlessly. You can import your contacts from multiple platforms and email providers. So if you've got contacts spread across different sources, you can bring them all into one place with ease. Whether you're transferring from spreadsheets, Google Contacts, or another CRM, Folk makes it seamless. One of the standout features of Folk is its ability to categorize and tag contacts for better organization. Let's say you're dealing with a variety of contacts: clients, leads, partners, and vendors. With Folk CRM, you can segment these groups easily by adding custom tags. This allows you to filter contacts quickly based on specific criteria. So, whether you're searching for high-priority clients or looking to follow up with leads, it's all at your fingertips. Another key feature is how Folk automates some of the routine tasks. You can set up reminders to follow up with contacts, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. This is especially useful for nurturing relationships over time. Plus, with the integration of workflows, you can automate actions based on the tags or categories you've set. For example, when a new lead is tagged as high priority, it can trigger an automated email or alert, saving you time on manual tasks. When you're managing a larger contact list, you need the ability to sort and filter efficiently. Folk CRM lets you do that with advanced filtering options. You can search by name, company, tags, or even by interactions with the contact. This is a game changer when it comes to quickly finding the right people without wasting time scrolling through endless records. What's great about Folk CRM is the level of customization it offers. You can customize fields, add notes, and track interactions, all in a way that works for your specific needs. For example, if you're in a niche industry, you can create custom fields that are tailored to your business, making your contact list much more relevant and personalized. And if you're worried about security, don't be. Folk offers robust privacy features, ensuring your contact data is always safe. You can set different access levels for your team members, allowing you to control who has access to what. As you can see, Folk CRM is an incredibly powerful and customizable tool for managing contact lists, whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team. The ability to import, categorize, tag, automate, and personalize your contacts makes this software a go-to solution for anyone serious about growing their business relationships. Remember, you can use Folk CRM completely for free with the link in the description below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you sign up today. That's right, you can try this powerful tool with no commitment, so you can see for yourself how it transforms the way you manage contacts. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial offer in the description. Don't miss out. This is the perfect opportunity to explore all the features of Folk CRM at no cost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.